Hello guys, it's Foxy. This will be part 412. Naruto was a wolf and neglected. Nari's POV. After I signed the scroll, signed the paper, I looked out in the crowd, searching for my brother. I saw him. His golden hair always was... I always can find him, even in the crowd. His hair was remarkable. It was easy to pinpoint him. I saw him. I looked at his face. It held anger, sadness, and so many emotions. But in that face, I saw no happiness, no pride, nothing. Only those emotions, anger, sadness. I see him put his glass down and get up. He walked out the door. I wanted to follow him, but I couldn't. My parents tried driving me back. I ate the cake that they made. I opened the presents, everything. But my mind always wandered to where was Naruto. I wanted Naruto beside me, hug me, saying, "Thank you, Nissan. Good job, Nissan." Just something. I wanted him by my side. But he never was. He was always away from us. He never stayed by my side. He instead walked away. I didn't see him for the entire night. I stayed up looking at that door. Finally, at midnight, he came home. He had this wide smile on his face. He looked so happy. While I was tired, my parents were already asleep. I wanted to go out and hug him, but I stayed and I watched him. Oh, I love running. Oh, it makes me feel so free and alive. I hear Naruto say, when he was stretching. These necklaces look so good on me. I hear Naruto say. I looked down at his neck. Indeed, there were necklaces. One was of a golden wolf with piercing blue eyes. Another wolf, black as night with a red eye. Oh, Itachi is so nice. Itachi is so nice. I wonder what Kurama, I wonder what we're going to be doing tomorrow. I hear Naruto say. Like, who is this Kurama? I hear Naruto walking to the stairs. He walks to the stairs, up them into his room. I finally come out of hiding when I hear his door open, close, and lock. I quietly make my way to my bedroom, open my door, close it and lock it, and made my way to my bed. My bedroom was filled with pictures. Pictures of my family and I, bookshelves, a dresser. I lay down on my bed thinking, who is Kurama? I fell asleep. After that, I fell asleep. A year later, Naruto's POV. Okay, Kurama, today is a day where I go into the ninja yeah, academy, I said in a bored tone. Come on, kid, you're supposed to be, up high, excited. I hear Krama say. What is so exciting being in a classroom full of children? You know you are a child too. You're only 5. Yeah, I know I'm only 5. But she's a Weasley. I'm already a getting level or something. I said while picking at my teeth. Kit, just do it. But Karama, I can't. I don't want to. You aren't going to that academy. Oh, fine, Karama, but what do I do when I get there? Well, just try to blend in. Try not to bring so much attention to yourself. Yeah, that would be nice, I thought, while scratching my chin. I make my way to the academy. While getting glared at and having a few rotten apples thrown at me. But I quickly dodge them. Don't want to mess up my new shirt. And I will show you a picture of what Naruto looks like. I make my way inside. Aruka's classroom. Where is it? Oh, there! I yipped out. I walk into the classroom. I can hear the giggles and laughters of the 5-year-old children. All of them are excited. I don't even pay attention to them while I find an empty seat to sit at. I sit down and start to read a book. This book was about flight. How animals fly. A week ago, I found out that I had when I shifted into my wolf form the first time, I found out that I had wings. Ever since that day, I've been trying to get them to work, but they never did. Even though I flapped them 100 times, they never somehow were able to lift me off the ground. 5 minutes later, after I was reading, my book was snatched out of my hand, and I can guess who snatched it. I looked up and see Nari, my big brother, holding my book. Well, it seems like the nerd is reading about flight. Sheesh, you know you're not a bird, right? Well, with your mind, I guess you are. You're stupid as one, I hear Nari say while tossing my book out the window. You little snot, my mind screamed. I hear, oh shoot. I took all of my energy not to jump on my seat and choke the little punk. Nari, can you please just leave me alone? I don't want to deal with your... how should I say this? With your existence, I say while turning around facing him. When I looked into his eyes, I saw sadness or shock. I have no clue, and I didn't even care at this point. Nari, stop teasing me, stop getting in my way, leave me alone, deal with your fangirls first of all, and don't drag me into your mess. I would like to be on my own, thank you, I said while turning around and rustling into my bag to find another book. Books about animals, poisons, weapons, how to make the weapons, how to cut down a tree properly without making any sounds. Blah, 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 blah. Ooh. Ooh, how to wield a scythe. Nice. I wanted to pull the book out, but I'm afraid that Nari would grab the book and throw it out the window. So I closed my book bag and stuck it between my legs. Then all of a sudden I hear screeching. Sasuke-kun! Nari-kun! I hear 2 loud banshees yell out. I cover my ears. Jeez, Weasley, do we have banshees now? I yelled out. I look towards the doorway. I see a blonde hair girl and a pink hair girl with a large forehead. They looked at me in anger. We're not banshees. And I yelled back at them. You are loud as a banshee, I said. You insolent little punk. I hear the blonde one yell out. Insolence. Oh, nice word, I thought. I rolled my eyes and put my head down to the table. I hear their footsteps coming towards me, and their disgusting scent. Perfume, too much perfume. All I wanted right then was to puke out my guts or yak. Oh God, it was awful. They sprayed too much perfume. You Narobaka, get out of the way. Sasuke-kun is here. I hear the pink banshee say. Sasuke who? I yelled out. Sasuke Uchiha, you're sitting right by him. I turn to the side, and I see the most hilarious sight, the most hilarious, I don't think I'm saying that word correctly, the funniest sight I have ever seen. A black-haired kid with a duck butt. Jeez Weasley, I love this school already. I love this already. You mean the duck butt kid? I said while pointing my thumb to him. Hey, I'm not duck butt. Well, you have the head of one. I said while pointing at him. And I feel something hit my head. Ow, what in the sweet Moses of grace? I said, looking back. And I say the blonde hair hair girl with her hand up. So she's the one who hit me. Were you the one that hit me? Yes. Leave me alone. I said nothing to you. You have no reason to hit me. Now go back. Sit somewhere else. Or better yet, sit by my brother, Inari. He's in the back. I said while pointing behind me. And I hear a, oh no. Oh, so Nari does not like fangirls. Alright, school is going to be a lot more fun now, I thought. And I hear their squeals of happiness and my brother saying, oh crap lord. I looked behind me after a couple minutes. Both of the girls had their arms wrapped around Inari. It was a beautiful sight. All I wanted then was to take a picture. But that sight was ruined when Iruka came into the classroom. Okay. Hello guys, my name is Aruka. Now, I want you all to introduce yourselves, he said. 2 minutes later, I look behind me. Sakura Haruno, the pink-haired banshee, raised her hand. I'm here, she yelled out. Ino Naminaka. Sorry guys if I did not say that correctly. Here, okay, Sakura is the pink-haired banshee. Ino is the blonde banshee. Sasuke Uchiha. Here, I hear a voice say beside me. So the dump butt kid was Sasuke. What? The girl said that. Oh, okay, I was not paying attention. Yeah, pause. Sorry, my Nana's dog was barking. I needed to check what was happening. Either way, back into the video. Nari Uzumaki Namikaze. I hear my brother's name. Here, I hear his annoying voice say, Naruto Uzumaki Namikaze. I raise my hand. Here, Captain Obvious, I said. Alright, moving on from the snotty one. Okay, today we'll be getting to know each other. At least about our families. I raised my hand. Yes, Naruto? Why do we need to do this? Well, to know about what your family is like, and just to get to know each other. Can I leave? I said. Why? Because I don't want to interpret. How do I say it? I don't want to be a part of this. Well, sadly, you have to. Bleh. I said in return. Do you want me to give you detention? Oh no, detention, my worst enemy. Oh, being shoved in a room all alone, all day after school. Oh, the terrors of the world. Oh no, it's so, so, so bad, I said dramatically. Well, if you don't want to do that, let's learn about the history of Konoha. Who was our first Hokage? Naruto Uzumaki. I looked at him. Seriously, you're asking me this question? He's literally right outside the window. Look, I said while pointing. We know who the first Hokage is at birth. Well, can you tell me? Well, can you tell me who was the first Hokage? Aruka asked me again. Oh, fine. Hashirama Senju. Hashirama Senju was our first Hokage. Hokage. He was the clan head of the Senju clan. Hashirama was the first Hokage and the clan head of the Senju clan. He had the Mokitan ability, which was able to control wood or make wood dragons or whatever. His best friend at the time was Madara Uchiha. After Madara Uchiha kind of went rogue, they got into a fight and Hashirama killed Madara and blah blah blah, all that fun stuff. I said, well, leaning back and having my hands behind my head. Excellent, excellent. who was the second Hokage Naruto? Well, it was Hashirama's brother. Tama. Shoot, I can't say it. No, I can't say the name. I can't remember the name. Well, the second Hokage was kind of racist to the Uchiha clan, which I can understand. They are how should I say it? They are very prideful. I said, I am I am a Uchiha. I'm right here. I hear Sasuke say, and does it seem like I care about you? I said, well, looking at him, you back onto point, Naruto. Fine. Tobirama, finally got the name. Tobirama Senju. Senju was the second Hokage. He was the brother, again, of Hashirama Senju. The third Hokage was Hiruzen Sarutobi. The fourth Hokage, the greatest and strongest Hokage of the year, is my father, Minato Namikaze. And all that fun stuff. Now, can we please take a nap? I'm already tired after this boring example of a hard quiz. I said, we'll pretending to snore. I make snoring sounds. Should I made that sound? Sheesh, that was terrible. Whatever. Here, Iruka say, well, this is going to be a fun year, I said with a wolf with a feral grin. And this would be the ending of part 4 to what Naruto was a wolf and neglected. Have a nice day, and I'm sorry for my awful example of a snore. Awful. It was terrible. I'm sorry, guys. You had to go through that.